Hi, and welcome to an Oil a Day Essentials with Carmen. I'm excited to show you how to make your own foaming hand soap. It's very easy and you probably have most of the ingredients at hand. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of liquid Castile soap. I have 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. I have a soap pump, foaming soap pump. I've already filled it part way with water because we want to do that slow since we're going to be adding soap. And I'm going to pour my 2 tablespoons liquid Castile soap. That's what makes the foam. Fractionated coconut oil, which is going to help soften our hands. And 10 drops of your very favorite essential oil combinations. You may want to use something that's a single oil and put 10 drops of that or mix it. Today I'm going to do peppermint and tea tree or melaleuca essential oil. So I'm going to put 5 drops each. 4, 5. So now I have everything in here. I'm going to add a little bit more water. This is a convenient way to add water to it. I'm going to make sure I leave room for the pump. And then once I get this on, I've got it, then you shake and you are good to go. Label what flavor or let people discover it as they use this foaming hand soap that's right next to the sink. And you know you're giving your friends and family one of the best things, clean hands. And just so you can see how great it foams, that's amazing. And it feels fabulous. This happened to be purchased. This was a gift from a friend and she picked it up, she said, over at Target. Great place to stop. Who knows what you're going to find there. Thanks for watching. You actually how to make your own foaming hand soap. See, we know it. Bleh. Put it on tighter. That is awkward.